Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share this colorful earring. This is a round hoop earring. So let's start it. So for this project I have used 3 color of anchor pearl cotton thread. This is the 2-ply thread and jump ring I need. This is the elephant key charm and ear hook I need. Then I have used 0.60 mm crochet hook, and this is the I have used ear hoop round. This is the 2 cm ear hoop, and also needle I have used, and scissor. So at first we'll work with the pink color thread. So this one is the front side and this is the back side. So with the front side, every time you just remember we'll work with from the right to left side. So at first you make a slip knot. Okay, now you just hold the ear hoop like this, hold like this. Okay, now you just insert the thread through the hook and make a chain. Now you make single crochet. So here I have made total 20 single crochet. It depends upon the hoop size. Here I have used only 2 cm ear hoop. So for this one 20 single crochet is enough. I'm not going to the full round, I am going to the half, so that's why 20 is enough. Okay, so like that I am making the single crochet. So we'll come after 20 single crochet. Guys, if you like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to make more videos like that. Here I have made so many crochet earring, so you can find all the crochet earring on that I button I have mentioned. Also I have so many other crochet project and macrame project also. You please do watch. So here you can see that 20 single crochet done. Now I am making one chain. Okay, now I'll turn this project and then we'll make one single crochet in each stitch. So on the first stitch we'll make one single crochet, second one also one single crochet. Like that we'll make one single crochet in each stitches. Okay. So here you can see my single crochet is done. Now I am just going to cut this thread. Okay, we'll use the next thread. So next one I have chosen that light shade of blue color. So we'll turn this on the front side and we'll start on the front side. So again I'm making that slip knot. So here slip knot done. Then on the same way we'll make a single crochet on in each stitch, one single crochet. On the first stitch I am just inserting the hook and we'll make a one chain. Here I have make one chain. Now I'm making one single crochet in each stitch. So on the first stitch I'm making one single crochet, and in any crochet earring you should remember with that leftover thread you have to do it, means the finishing should be very nice. So that's why you can see how I am hiding the thread. On the back side you just take the extra thread. So here I am making that single crochet. So in each stitch one single crochet. And in any section if you have any kind of doubt, then please do comment me. I'll definitely solve your queries. So here you can see that blue color, this one also done. So I'm just cutting the extra thread. Now that thread I have cut. Now we'll work with this yellow color thread, and here also that in between whatever thread is left I'm just cutting it. Now we'll work with this yellow color thread. So I have made a slip knot. Now I'm inserting the hook on the very first stitches. Okay, so here I'm making 4 chain. 1 2 3 and 4. Fourth chain I have made. Now we'll make a slip stitch on the next stitch. So on the next stitch you can see here, on the next stitch I am making a slip stitch. Okay, so after slip stitch again we'll make 4 chain. 1 2 3 4. 4 chain I have made. Now again we'll make a slip stitch on the next stitch. Okay, so like that we'll finish this round. So here you can see that the round has completed. Now I'll cut the thread. So here our earring is completed. Only few things are left. So this extra thread, you can see how I just hide this extra thread, that I am making a knot here. Okay, then I'll hide it with the needle. So here I am using the needle. I am hiding this extra thread. Okay, like the same way I'll hide the blue color thread also. Now here with the jump ring I'm just hanging this charm. This is the elephant. This is a very little and very cute one. If you have any other kind of things you can use it. So with the help of jump ring I'm attaching this charm. Here in a bowl I have taken that starch. This is one I have used 1:1 ratio starch and water, plain water. Here I have used Revive, that cloth starch. Okay, means which one we used as a cloth. So here I just apply it on the back of this earring, so it will harden the thread, so it will not curve it. So here you can press this one for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, I'm attaching this ear hook. So you can see this earring has completed. Also you can use, if you have any kind of this if you have kind of this small earring, stone one or any other thing smaller one, then also you can wear this wear the earring with this top earring. Okay, so as your choice. So here I have shown you this both one, which one you like, you just tell me. Okay, so that's all. If you have if you like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel. Okay, you can also use other colors, so both one I just love. Okay, so thank you.